This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with a prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. If you're replacing a headlight bulb on the right side of the vehicle and more space is needed, remove the coolant reservoir mounting bolts. Twist the windshield washer fluid reservoir filler neck slightly counterclockwise, then remove it. Temporarily reposition the coolant reservoir to gain better access to the bulbs. Remove the fuse box assembly mounting bolts. Reposition the fuse box as necessary. To replace a low beam bulb. Working in the engine compartment behind the headlight housing, turn the plastic cap counterclockwise and remove it from the housing. Disengage the bulb retaining spring clip, then pull the bulb out of the housing. Disconnect the electrical connection terminals from the bulb. Without touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare fingers, connect the bulb electrical connections, then install it into the housing while aligning the tabs. Secure the bulb with the retaining spring clip. Install the plastic cap and turn it clockwise until it is secure, seating the O-ring and providing a waterproof seal. To replace a high beam bulb. Disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb. Rotate the bulb counterclockwise, then pull it out of the housing. Without touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare fingers, install the new bulb. Align the tabs on the bulb with the slots in the housing, then twist the bulb clockwise to secure it in place. Connect the bulb electrical connector. At the right side of the engine compartment, position the fuse box into its original mounting location, then install and tighten the bolt securely. Place the coolant reservoir back into its mounting location and install the bolts. Tighten the bolt securely, but avoid cracking the reservoir plastic. Install the washer fluid filler neck, turning it clockwise to secure it in place. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely.